The Fengrong Electric Pressure Washer 4800 offers a remarkable cleaning power with its 4,800 pounds per square inch capability, making it suitable for tough cleaning tasks. Equipped with a state-of-the-art spray handle, this pressure washer allows precise pressure adjustments through a smart touchscreen, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. The Total Stop System feature ensures energy efficiency and prolongs the pump's life by automatically shutting off when the trigger is not engaged. Users will appreciate the convenience of 5 quick connect nozzles, which cater to various cleaning surfaces from hard concrete to delicate windows. Its 4 anti-tipping wheels are designed for maximum mobility, allowing users to maneuver the washer effortlessly across different terrains. Fengrong prioritizes user safety and satisfaction with features like the gun trigger safety lock and offers professional customer support for any additional assistance.